Namaskaram. Welcome to Tradition Food. Today we are going to make onion rings. The ingredients: coriander, onion, curry leaf, chaat masala, green chilli, salt, red chilli powder, oil. Now start the stove. Oil. How much you require for deep fried? Now we are going to cut the onion. First of all, take the onion slice. When you are cutting, be careful your fingers. I cut the onion slice. Remove the small onions. Take out like rings. I hope you are watching, right? Like this. Now I cut the green chilli, chopped green chilli. Now curry leaf. Coriander, cutting finish. Now I'm mixing the marination masala. Whatever you are cutting in green chilli, in curry leaf, coriander, I mix the bowl. Mixing batter, corn flour, maida, salt, chili powder. How much you require spiciness, spicy level you can add. Coriander powder. Take the little water. Add water. Our batter is ready. I keep the one side. Now whatever before we are cutting onion slice, onion rings. Now dip this batter. Onion rings coming color. Stir slowly. We coming crispy level. That time we feel like finish this one. It can it's almost ending. So onion rings ready. And take out. Onion rings ready to eat. It's now how is taste? I will eat and taste. Tell you. Wow, very nice. Like crunchy, tasty, and spicy. Make in your home. You also like enjoy your this spring onion rings. Very nice. This Thank you.